Okay, number 18 is the Taupo District Performance Report. Ms. Whainga here? No, so Mr. Van Hennep's here.
Ms. McLeod can answer the first 2 or 3 pages.
Yeah, okay, till we get to... okay, Ms. McLeod till we get to 18 bar 4. So, business plan projects and highlights, 18 bar 1. So I'm happy to open up page by page with any questions, otherwise it's pretty self-explanatory. Very small amount of slippage there. Mainly coming around to missing the deadlines of the Turangi structure plan. No questions there? Okay, turning around to 18 bar 2. And Ms. McLeod, feel free to comment if you so wish.
Just simply that we're almost at the end of the financial year, so of course, things do turn red at that point. Even though we'll obviously continue on some of these projects as we move into the new financial year.
Okay. Urban Commercial Industrial Structure Plan, slightly fallen behind, but August Council meeting for approval. Anything further on that page? Okay, 18 bar 3. Bar 4.
Your Honour, just
information
mainly, what regional council consent where we're falling behind, is that a consent we already had and that we have to renew and it doesn't meet their standards or something?
Obtained the water treatment plant building consent, the building platform from the lakefront here, Mr. Green.
The key thing here is that the consents will not be through by the 30th of June, so they wouldn't have met our milestone for the financial year.
Just our milestone. Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, they're in-house milestones, aren't they? Yeah. Yes. Okay, so if there's nothing further on there, we'll move to Taupo District Treasury Management Report. And of course, Mr. Van Hennep is always prepared to answer questions if he knows them off the top of his head, but please be aware that sometimes you have to dig a long way into the files to get answers to some of the questions. So, Councillor Williams?
Sorry, Your Worship, I'm just going back to 18 bar 4, please.
Okay.
Just asking question of CEO Mr. Williams. Do you have a figure for the actual organisational development savings that you made to the budget savings that you made?
Told us that many times. Salary. He's told us that many times. Salary.
No, but I just wanted an update. I know the projected, but I just wanted to know if
I don't have the most up-to-date figure on it. Alan will be able to update us.
We'll review it at the 30th of June because we've still got staff finishing at this particular point of time, and I think 2 in the first part of July. So at that stage we'll be able to draw a line in the sand and say this is the amount of salary savings that we have made versus redundancy payments that we have paid, and this is what our opening payroll position will be for the next financial year, because that's really where it really matters as to what has our fixed cost structure reduced by going into the next financial year. So we'll be doing all that work post 30th of June.
Okay, we'll move on now to the Treasury Management Report, starting 18 bar 5. Take it page by page. If we can just start on page 18 bar 5 first. Mr. Van Hennep, do you want to comment on anything on that page?
No, most of them are ticks, and for once we haven't gone into overdraft.
And did we get rid of that $11 thing?
That's what I mean. Yeah.
Oh, you tidied that up. Oh, that's great.
Right in the check.
18 bar 6. Can you, if I could ask a question, Mr. Van Hennep, so that investment portfolio took a big leap up March 11, April 11, and there. What happened there?
We have a loan facility with one of the banks that is coming up for renewal at the 30th of June. Looking at the indicative pricing from the banks, we found it a lot more financially prudent to go to the market with a debenture issue, and because we have now received those funds prior to the repayment of the bank facility, we've got them invested. And you'll see that it will appear...
And we're going to have a downward turn very shortly when we pay it back.
Well, if you looked at page 18/9, for example, it shows net funds borrowed year to date, and the performance down in the second to last bit at 33 million versus last year's sort of 15 million, and that's because of that $20 million tranche of borrowing. That all we'll be doing is reducing our investments and reducing our debt at the 30th of June.
Anything else on that page, team?
As you can see, the total debt portfolio's got that upward movement as well, which represents the debenture borrowing. As it worked out, we were able to invest it at a higher rate than what we borrowed.
That's good. We're making a profit. Okay, 18/7.
All the performance indicators are positive.
Open for questions from anybody wanting any clarification or anything? Okay, being none, moving over to 18/8.
The only negative there is that the strategic asset allocation, where we're only supposed to have 25 to 75% of fixed interest, we've got 78% because from an investment perspective it was a wise decision, but it just puts us outside the range.
Okay. Anything from anybody? Okay. And one more page there, which is 18/9, which explains my question on the first page.
And the only other point on there is our average cost of borrowing is just slightly higher than our budgeted borrowing cost, and the reason for that is that we've taken some long-dated swaps, which is sort of interest rate hedges, such that when the market or the cash rate starts to move up, we don't move up as well. We are locked in at today's...
We budgeted at 5.6, we're sitting on 607?
Yes.
And the reason for that is because you took it out for a longer period in...
We're taking it out for 5 to 10 years.
Thinking that interest rates go up, we won't get caught.
Yeah.
Makes sense? So, okay. Moving on to the performance report, 18/11. Page by page, 18/11. Year-to-date expenditure by category. Tracking fairly nicely. 18/12. Okay, 18/13. Councillor Downard.
Just on D, and I gather D is other gains because it's not listed there. Is that D? Just the parking fines and recoveries from the courts ahead of budget. I just wondered whether that, because that's a 30, if it is D is other gains, that's a 33% gain. Is that because of the red eyes?
He's right.
On there, so are we paying back our investment in the red eyes? Would that be the main gain?
Yes.
Would.
18/14.